Bored Apes debut on the big screen.
Ethereum tests its proof-of-stake consensus protocol.
Meta launches a digital currency to be used in the Horizon Worlds VR metaverse.
The price of Bitcoin is located at around $40,000 after closing above that figure yesterday. It's looking to stabilize following a week of bearish moves in the crypto market.
These are just some of our top headlines in today's newscast, April 13th.
Welcome.
Ethereum continues to take steps forward with the aim of changing its consensus protocol. The transition from proof of work to proof of stake is getting closer. At the moment, the migration of several stages of the algorithm is being looked into, which when completed will allow validators to create blocks through the participation of assets instead of mining.
This protocol is already being tested within the network, although it is not visible to users just yet, as it is being carried out through a shadow fork on the mainnet. This change not only seeks to reduce the energy footprint, but also improve the network's scalability.
In other news, Mark Zuckerberg progresses with the idea of creating a digital currency at his company. Meta announced its plans around using one of these new currencies in its metaverse, Horizon Worlds VR. This digital currency will only be made available to a small number of creators within this virtual world.
If successful, this project will be focused on the use of digital currency within the company's large social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Although there is no official name for this asset just yet, internally Meta workers have called it Zuckbucks.
Speaking of advancements, exchanges continue to spread their wings. In this case, Uniswap has announced the creation of Uniswap Lab Ventures, a venture capital fund that will invest in companies and projects that are on development on the Web3.
In the words of the company itself, its investments will be made regardless of the development phase of the project. They will also invest in infrastructure and tools for developers and consumer-oriented applications.
In the gaming world, Epic Games, developer of one of the most popular battle royale games in the world, Fortnite, received $2 billion in a funding round to develop its own metaverse and support its growth. Sony and Kirkby are some of the most important companies that have entrusted their investment to Epic Games.
It remains to be seen how Epic Games transitions from Web 2 to Web 3, given its gameplay and monetization are focused on the traditional Web 2 model, with free access and earnings through microtransactions within the game.
Another video game development company also makes headlines. We're talking about Animaka Brands, the Hong Kong-based company which promotes digital property rights for games and the metaverse, which has acquired Eden Games.
This racing game studio is well known for great titles like Need for Speed, Porsche Unleashed. The agreement between Engine Gaming, the company that until now owned Eden Games, and Animaka, closed for a total of $16 million. This is another step taken by the company towards its objective of developing a series of new racing games based on the blockchain.
In the world of NFTs, the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection continues to set new milestones. After taking the step into the metaverse with other Yuga Lab collections, the jump to the big screen now appears over the horizon.
The Coinbase exchange has presented a proposal to launch a trilogy with these apes as stars, becoming the first collection of non-fungible tokens to reach the world of cinema. This idea was born after Coinbase's announcement around its upcoming NFC trading platform.
Moving on to Bitcoin, the price is located at around $40,000 after closing above that figure yesterday. It's looking to stabilize following a week of bearish movements in the crypto market.
With this, we draw today's session to an end. We'll be back tomorrow with more information around crypto and blockchain technology.
Until tomorrow.